If you've been following me, I've been doing graph problems for a while, but I've decided from now I'm gonna start doing some other category of questions. My next steps are array questions, and then recursion questions, heap questions, and then dynamic programming questions. So that's like the basic overview I'm going to try to follow from now on. Yeah, so today let's do a basic, easy level array question. It's called scores of a sorted array. Given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, return an array of the stores of each number sorted in non-decreasing order. So example 1 input, we have -4, -1, 0, 3, 10. And then the output is sorted stores of these. So it's 0, 1, 9, 16, 100. As you can see, like the store of -4 is 16, and it's not the first one it's placed here because when you store a negative number, it becomes positive. So if we want these numbers to be sorted, we can come up with a solution that's like 2-pointer. Oh, sorry. A 2-pointer solution because we could be given negative numbers, and negative numbers squared could become a positive number, which potentially could be larger than the most largest number here. So we can have like 2 pointers, one starting from the negative side and one starting from the positive side, and compare which one's larger. Yeah, so let's start writing the code. Oh, by the way, like the brute force solution of this is just squaring all the numbers and then probably do result list.sort, but that gives us more time complexity and space complexity. I mean, not space complexity, but just more time complexity. So that's why we're gonna go for a 2-pointer solution. I think Tim's sort is n log n, and then compared to our 2-pointer would just be big O of n. So let's define our pointers. Left start at 0, and that's 0, and then right equals length of nums minus 1, and our loop will go through the entire. So for I in range length of nums minus 1, we want to go backwards because we want to find the bigger number out of them. -4 and 10, the bigger number, and then move our pointer. So we'll spin our result backwards basically. We'll go from length of nums minus 1 because our index starts at 0, so it's minus 1, and then we want to go to -1. It wouldn't include -1, it would just go to 0, and then we decrement by 1 at a time. And let me define our result list equals 0 times the length of nums. So if the absolute value of nums left is greater than the absolute value of nums right, then we know that the negative number is bigger, and then we would just we can spin our result I equals nums left times nums left, and then we can also increase our left pointer by 1, and then else we can do result I equals nums right times nums right, and then we can decrease our right pointer by 1, and then in the end we just return our result list. Yeah, so this is how I would solve this question using a two-pointer. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching.